In this video, we will calculate the amount of hot water used in 1 year and the cost of electricity used to heat that water. The Gonzalez family of 4 wants to find ways to live more sustainably. Mom recommends analyzing the water and energy usage. Each family member showers twice a day for an average of 6 minutes per shower. The shower has a flow rate of 5 gallons per minute. Their standard hot water heater raises the water temperature to 130 Fahrenheit, which requires 0.2 kilowatt hours per gallon at a cost of 0.10 kilowatt hours. Calculate, or A, the total number of water the family uses for showering, and B, calculate the annual cost of the electricity needed for heating the water. Assume that 2.5 gallons per minute of hot water is being used. So we have two problems here and lots of numbers here. So we've got to figure out how we're going to solve this problem. So we want to calculate the total amount of water used per year. So how are we going to do that? Well, I want to solve it dimensionally. So I'm going to say from the data from the previous slide that we have 6 minutes in a day that they're going to shower. This is per person, right? And then they're going to use 5 gallons in 1 minute. Now I put this minute down here on the bottom so that I can get the minutes to cancel. All right, so now I've got gallons per day, right? But I don't want that. But then we've got 2 showers, right? And we have 4 people, and we have 365 days because they're going to take a shower every day. So when we get it all, this is how many gallons that these people, they're going to take this many showers, 365 times 4 times 2, and they're going to use 5 gallons per minute, so it's like 30 gallons. And when you multiply this whole thing out, we get quite a large number. We get 87,600 gallons. Now that's of total water, right? So since 2.5 gallons of the 5 gallons is hot water, we're going to take this number and we're going to divide it by 2 to get the total number of gallons of hot water. So if you take 87,600 divided by 2, you get 43,800 gallons of hot water. So that's the answer to part A. So let's look at the second part. So how much is that going to cost them per year? So we know the number of gallons that they use. So we've got this 43,000 gallons. So I'm going to write that down. 43,800 gallons per year. All right, that's in a year, right? Now, in the problem, we knew that there was 0.20 kilowatt hours, that's a unit of electrical energy, per gallon. Now, I write it this way so that the gallons will cancel, right? And we know that the cost of a kilowatt hour from the problem is 0.10, and that's dollars per kilowatt hour. So if we take the 43,800, multiply by the 0.2 kilowatts hours per gallon, times the 10 cents, we get a total cost of $876. And that's going to be per year. So that's how much they're going to spend on hot water for their showers per year.